Welcome to my bakery. いらっしゃいませ. Ready? Step into my candy world, neon sugar lights. Whisking dreams together, watch them come alive. Sprinkles falling softly like a pastel rain. Every little flavor dancing in your brain. Apron tied in ribbons, flower on my cheek. If it's getting messy, then it's kinda peak. Mix it fast or spin it, don't you look away. Something sweet is about to detonate. Turn it up, don't think twice. ちょっと cry over spice. If it sparkles, that's the sign. 限界なんてない. Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. ドキドキして blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. 一口で lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. No night dancing, feel the case. Sweet. One more taste, you're hypnotized. ここは甘い paradise. Pop, pop, pop cake. 持ってちょうだい. Spin it, flip it, taste it. やめられないでしょ. Burn it, oops, whatever, we can fix it quick. Turn it into something extra aesthetic. Strawberry galaxies, caramel skies. Every single layer's a sweet surprise. Tiny stars are glowing in the icing glaze. Every bite you take puts you in a daze. Close your eyes, I'll guide you through the taste. Don't you wanna stay in this place? No control, just let go. 甘さもっと overflow. If it shines, then you know. これは梅でしょ. Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. ドキドキして blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. 一口で lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. 感覚全部 melting brain. One more taste, you're hypnotized. ここは甘い paradise. 真夜中のオーブンライト。夢を焼いてる all night. 願い込めて rise and shine. 全部叶えるデザイン。手を取って離さないで。この味を忘れないで。二人だけの secret place. 甘すぎるこのスペース。Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. もっと強く push, push, push. Sweet chaos level max. 止まらない no relax. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. 名前呼んで again, again. One more bite, don't fade away. ずっとここで play my game. また来てね. I'll bake something even sweeter. Thanks, Dima. I'm muted. Okay, let's do this again from scratch. Thank you very much, Dima. Products, welcome. Good morning, Products and Jordan. I put it all your pictures, and I'm very happy that you will meet your sister next month. Dima, thank you very much for telling me I was muted because I was talking to no one. So that's very good. That's very good, right? That's very good. So I was talking to no one as always. So very good. We fixed this, right? Thanks God. So very nice. So I was muted because I used the OBS to record some footage yesterday, and I forgot to turn the mic on. Thus, yeah, and I have to remember, because I'm recording some videos recently, and
And that's this third time it happened. So I start my stream. I should be more careful, right? I'm a very, very bad streamer. I should be a little bit more careful. Yes, but okay, I guess it's fine, right? I guess it's fine. Uh, yeah, I mean, what does the changes, Jordan? I mean, I showed them already. What is actually changed if I'm muted or not? I showed it. I mean, I wasn't blacking it out. I was muted and the picture were on screen. So you just want to see them again, and you're making the excuses to see them again, Jordan. I got you there. So you have to come to back with better excuses. You have to come here with better excuses, Jordan, rather than you were muted. I mean, I think he's called Evie. Let me check her name. He's called Evie Aven. Yeah, Evie Aven. Yes. So yeah. And so, I think we can start chatting and working at the same time, right? Your messages are doubling. It doesn't matter, Dima. It's good. Double messages, double fun. It's fine. It's fine. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's okay. It's okay, Dima. So, very good. So maybe you didn't see the doubles. No, well, I mean, I can see. I mean, it's also in the chat piece that you see every Monica or what, you wrote you dance. Luna is very weakly excited. Yes. Well, I mean, I think it's just time we start to do work on something, and then we keep going. I mean, cause And before you start, tell me exactly what is the next ticket about, so we can decide the workflow before you start the working on it, okay? Uh, I mean, she's a very small VTuber. I mean, small. I mean, compared to me, she has double the subscribers. She has 5,000 something. I have 2,000, and recently 300, cause I lost some subscribers this week, and I went from 2,400 to 2,395. Something like that. I'm keeping losing subscribers. I think people are unsubscribing because I'm not covering the games anymore, so. Emerald Scribe, welcome to my bakery, Emerald Scribe. So, Emerald Scribe, I mean, let me check one moment. Your channel. Go to channel, Emerald Scribe. 19 subscribers, videos. I mean, is this your first time here, media joke? I don't remember. Is this your first time here? And welcome to my bakery. I mean, if so, I can give you the introduction of what I do, cause honestly, I don't remember you. Yeah, that's why I was checking your channel. I mean, I made it is the first time. Yeah, you lurked, but we didn't chat, right? We didn't really chat probably much. So let me introduce you to my channel properly, okay? Okay. Yes. Let me introduce to my channel properly, so you know exactly what I do. So okay, I was into gaming. Okay, I was into gaming, and this channel was born as yeah. Let me explain. Let me explain. I was into gaming, and I started as gaming channel 4 years ago. Almost 4 years ago. In October, it will be 4 years. That will soon be the 4th anniversary of this channel. So and I was really into gaming and a lot of other stuff. And then I mean, I used to do a lot of games in which there were cute girls. There were a lot of cute girls, and people started asking me to do cosplays of these characters, and then I started making cosplays of these characters, like like stuff like this. Me cosplaying that character, or maybe stuff like this. And then they wanted to see the cake. Then after that, so since these were a lot of gacha games with cute girls, then they started to say, "Hey, Luna, you should show us your cake," as the games do. And then I took them seriously. And this place became a bakery. And this was when I started having a lot of fun with yeah, exactly. This place became a bakery because they wanted to see the cake. So I took them seriously. And this is when I started working with AI. But before this, maybe I should tell you something that actually probably the best way to introduce to this is this probably. So the Luna is very old. I started. This is a drawing I made when I was 10 years old, and I've been playing with this character since I was 10. So I've always made imaginary stories, made drawing and other stuff with Luna, and then I started my YouTube channel as Luna. So 4 years ago and such, and then I want to tell you why AI fits into this, because I realized that with AI I can make even more stories with Luna. Because I made drawings, I write stories and etc. But then getting with AI gave me the opportunity to make Luna even more lively. And now I'm making a game. I'm making my own game with AI. And so I switched the channel. Yes, it exploded my workflow, exactly. It exploded my workflow. It let me, yeah. It gave me the opportunity to do more stuff than what I was, yeah. I'm here, Razzle. I showed that. Don't you worry. Uh, oh, is your stepdad birthday, Dima? Sure, I have a birthday cake. Don't worry. I have a birthday cake for you. Sure, for him. Sure, don't worry. We always have birthday cake when don't you worry. And birthday cake. Here it is. Here it is for your yeah, stepdad. Yeah. Yeah, your stepdad birthday, yeah. Take the birthday cake. That happy birthday to him. Happy birthday to him. Happy birthday, dear my stepdaddy. Happy birthday to him. Pachi. So anyway, so and Emerald Scribe. So that's it. So I started making stuff with AI because it exploded my workflow even more, exactly. Yes, I can make an illustration for your step birthday. Which kind of illustration do you want, Emma? So we can make an illustration while I chat, and we can do both things at the same time, right? We can do everything at the same time. So why not? I can make an illustration while I keep explaining my channel. Whatever else, right? And tell me which kind of illustration you want, and I will make it. So let me check your channel. As you will see the stuff, right? Let me put your channel. Let me put your channel on screen here. So go to channel and let's see your channel. Here it is. Here it is. Emmy the Hedgehog. So thank you, Skylarks. Oh, Skylarks, you mean you mean let me subscribe. You mean Skylark, the AI artist? Cause I know a Skylark, which is this AI artist. Yes, he turned 64. Okay. Oh, nightcore poet. Oh, so you make music too. I can't play music because my channel is unofficial. Yeah, the Sky Bros. Oh, yeah, that universe, the Sky Bros. Okay. Very nice, very nice. And AI Magic Anthem. Oh, so you like AI too? Okay. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Emmy the Edgeock. Nice. Welcome. You're welcome here. And me, I mean, there aren't many channel that welcome AI users, so you are welcome here, cause I also use AI, and this place is free for people that it's safe for people that use and loves AI. I mean, and so okay, let's put the image for your daddy. Okay. So I need an image of Luna, and I mean, so we need to make this birthday celebration for this person. He's turning 64, and and I mean, I don't know, just make something funny and cute. And maybe put Arloin cake and Chappy too, okay? And use Chibi Luna, okay? Thanks. I'm your 20th subscriber. Thank you. I mean, you can give me the a needle if you want, cause you're a hedgehog. So I think I will take a needle as reward. Thank you very much. I mean, as a prize. I will pick one needle, right? I mean, cause hedgehogs sometimes lose them. So the next needle you lose, I'll keep it as a keepsake. Okay. Maybe next I will make a picture of me hugging an hedgehog, right? Maybe we make this one too, right? Let's make a new picture. Can you make a cute and comical picture of Luna hugging a hedgehog? And I mean, the image should be cute because they just made friendship. And they are hugging each other with Chibi Luna, but at the same time, Luna is getting damaged too for the needle. So I mean, sorry, I got the postman. One moment. The postman is at the door. The postman is at the door. One moment. Just one moment. Yeah. Okay. I need to open up the postman. I'll be back. I'll be back in a pair of minutes. Just. I think it's Amazon. Okay. Yeah. Sorry for the wait. It was Amazon. It was Amazon. Oh. The Stupid fucking things didn't oh, look at this. Why is not taking we have a problem today. We have a problem. It's not loading the character sheet. It's not loading the character sheet. Yeah, one moment. This needs to be remade. It's not loading the character sheet in none of them. What's wrong? Yeah. Yeah, remake it. You're not successfully added the character sheet to any of these three pictures. What's wrong? I mean, you should have used the enforced the character sheet for all three characters. So redo the image. Same for this one here. I mean, you have to remake this because you didn't enforce Luna Chibiruna character sheet when you made the image. So remake the image from scratch and be sure the character sheet is enforced. We have a problem in generation. We have a problem in generation. Oh, true X. Oh yes, sure. Because if you have your character sheet, yes, we can make it even better. On X, sure. Let me see. Do you know my ex? Let me link you to my ex. So maybe you can mention me. Just one moment. I will write my ex in chat. So let me go there. So window new X let me so let's go there here. So profile. Okay, that's my ex profile. I mean, I don't use it much. Also I well, not that I don't use much. So basically, you don't know this, but I was raised in Japan and I live in Japan. So in X I write in Japanese. On YouTube I'm here in English. So and but yeah, cause I was raised in Japan. I live in Japan and I speak Japanese. So X, if you check my X, it's mostly Japanese. I sometimes post in English, but it's mostly in English. My inbox is closed. Yeah, just tag me. Yes, yeah. So, although I have a closed inbox, okay, I don't know that. Yeah. Just tag me in X, yeah. And then again, I can check this. Yes, yeah. I should have a notification. Let me check. Patience. Oh, send me the joke. Follow it. You should follow back. Oh, and that's the character sheet. Okay, nice. So let me say this. Oh, but it's super cute. I mean, it's super cute. This save image. So okay, very nice and very nice. Okay, and attach file and folders. So please remake the image from scratch without editing and use this, attach this as also character sheet for the edge joke, okay? Thanks. Okay, well, it's very cute. Hey, Jordan. We already have discussed about. Oh, we have discussed about Sarah Blatt so many times. And again, I told you, Jordan, if you want to watch the Dream Finder, I mean, check the archive in which Dream Finder picture is. I mean, it's not that if you asked me a question yesterday and I give you an answer, then you come here today with the same question, the answer changes. I mean, so I already answered to that yesterday, and if you want to see that picture, check it in the stream. Okay, thanks. And let's see the oops. I think I archived by mistake the edge joke. Oh fuck, for fuck's sake. Let's go back here into settings, archived shot. What happened to the edge joke? What happened to the edge picture? Did I archive it by mistake? It got archived by mistake. Probably what happened to the edge joke. Oh my god. Oh, I pinned it. I pinned it. That's what happened. That's why it disappeared. Okay. Why were I showing a picture of me with a cake before? Cause this is a bakery. This is a bakery, Jordan, and obviously, oh my fucking goodness. But today you seem particularly retarded. You know this stupid fucking ChatGPT. I mean, you have to attach both the Edgeo character sheet and Lula character sheet, both of them. Remake the picture again for the fourth fucking time. Jesus, today ChatGPT is particularly retarded. Jesus, I don't know what's fucking wrong with Chappy today. Well, yeah, I know it's cute, but we will make it better. I mean, I don't know, it's stupid, retarded today, yeah. Why would Sarah Blood be sad if we watched this? Well, I don't know. I mean, I don't know her. I mean, I don't know if Sarah Blood will be sad if she watched this. I have no idea. I'm incredibly upset with Shopee. Oh, we finally managed to make the birthday picture for level 64. Look at this, level 64. Okay, we got the picture for your stepdad. Look at this, level 64. Very nice, right? I mean, we got this, so very nice, right? I mean, I guess Chappie ran away. Yeah, probably. Here it is, right? I mean, cutie. So let's wait. Then I will post these images on X if Chappie, cause Luna don't want to be cause Luna don't want to be her fan. Probably. I mean, she's gorgeous, but I mean, I honestly, I don't care about her. I mean, she's gorgeous, she's cute. I mean, who cares? Right? There are so many people in the world. I mean, you can be fan of everyone. I don't have room in my brain and in my scene part. Oh, we finally managed to make the edge of thing here, right? Finally! We finally made it. Look at my face. I mean, look at my... We finally ever ascribed after 4 tries, with Chappie being incredibly retarded. I mean, we finally managed to make the picture right. Here it is. We finally made it. Here it is. Right? We succeeded in to make the picture after 4 tries. I mean, it took 4 tries, but we finally made it, right? I mean, I had to punch Chappie several times, but it finally seems to work. Oh, you're welcome. Yeah, which software do you use for image generation? Which one do you use? Chappie setting yes every day. Baby, wake up. Oh, please, let's keep in touch, Emerald, okay? Emmy. Let's keep in touch, okay, Emmy? You're welcome here. Please, and take care of your babies and let's keep in touch. You just do your babies to me, okay? Okay, bye. How am I crying? Well, because the hedgehog has needles, Jordan, and I mean, I'm hugging the hedgehog and the hedgehog has needles, so obviously I'm crying. Yeah, exactly. Jordan, I mean, you can try to hug a hedgehog and then you can try to see, I mean, what happened, but oh my goodness, Emmy is a mom. Oh, that's beautiful. Emmy is a mom. Look at that. Emmy is a mom using AIs. Oh, that's beautiful, right? I mean, I'm very curious too. I hope Emmy comes back to the stream more. I mean, I really hope that. I really hope Emmy comes back to the stream more. She's a mom that uses AI. Isn't that beautiful? I mean, well, I mean, I am a mom too. I mean, I have 3 slimes, but that's it wouldn't happen if you had Sonic the Hedgehog. I think Stella would probably be more interested in this than you should tell this to Stella. Stella would enjoy that way more than I guess. Stella would surely enjoy this more than me. I'm pretty sure that's Stella's being, more than mine. Yeah, Stella loves shadows, and she loves the bad guy with the mustaches. How is fucking called it? Doctor something, I forget. The bad guy in Sonic. She really loves bad guys. Zelda's guys. She loves them all. Like fun. Mom is the same. Dr. Robotnik, exactly. Exactly, thanks, Father. So, Stella is more for Shadow and Robotnik. The more they are bad, the more they... Can you create a magic cozy picture? Stella is no setting? Sure. Sure, I can. I can. I can. I can. Make a picture of Chibi Stella. It should be a cozy picture in slow settings, thanks. Here we are. Oh, and by the way, I wanted to make the bad leaks. I don't even know what the bad leaks are, short of. And by the way, I wanted to make a song. So I think this is a good moment to. I think I want to have Fable to make the song. See how Fable. Fable is usually very retarded when it comes to song. Let's use Chap. Chap is probably better, right? Yeah, it was Fable. But last time, he made a decent song, Fable. When we had to do Pro Player Detected. What about a picture of Luna as Santa Claus and still as an elf? We can do that later. Well, we can do this in parallel, sure. Also, make also a picture with Chibi Luna and Chibi Stella as Chibi Luna as Santa Claus and Chibi Stella as an elf. And if they don't fucking use the character sheet this time too, I think I'm going to uninstall Chapit and throw it to the oven, seriously. Seriously, I'm going to fucking throw both of them into the oven, so oh, we have to do questions here. Nothing is running. Also, about the refuted things, do you need my supervision for them? I want to check and supervise edits, so you better present them to me one at a time, so we can see why they were wrong. Okay, so Bandung Christmas Elf for Bad Santa. Merry Christmas, Luna. Okay, Merry Christmas. Oh, you prefer Rudolph because of the arms. Okay, so we have to work on this before we get to the song. Alright, or maybe we can do the song while we check on this. So let's try this. So okay, I need to make a song for Luna, and the song is about one of Luna viewers that is stalking Luna, and basically against Luna, very upset. Not very upset, but tries to play mind trick on Luna because Luna is playing a game, and on her Discord. In Discord, there is the status that tells what if they're playing a game or not, right? And so these users, these viewers came to Luna and said, "Oh, you prefer to play a game rather than to chat with me." And Luna is very upset, and she vents because she said, "Fucking stalker." What the fucking even is this fucking comment? And then after that, all other viewers in the chat, they came and say, and then they get, and so Luna the next day, she puts her status in invisible in Discord, And then the next day, other viewers, they say, hey, you were invisible in Discord yesterday. Did you play games all day? And then Luna realizes that every fucking viewer is a fucking stalker. And they know exactly everything about her. And so this song should be very comical. Very comical. And you should escalate this fucking stalking escalation into something very ultra comical with Shakti trying to do the management and annoying Cake the Second trying to take Luna's place to cause as one of the countermeasures so the people think they're stalking Luna but they're actually stalking annoying Cake too. And so make this very comical and try to give me some ideas to make it even more comical. And let me know, okay? Yes, I'm making this picture, Jordan. I'm making the picture. Can't I make 2, 3, 5 things at the same time? That's the picture, Jordan. And that's the picture also for Dima. Yeah, ChatGPT can understand long messages too. And also, and that's not only ChatGPT, it's also Claude. I'm using 2 different things. So that's Santa and that's is about the picture. No beard for fake Santa. Yeah, no beard, right? What a plot twist. Do you want me with beard? Or with beard? Or with beard? Do you want me to have some beard on my face? That's what you want me to have? Beard on my face? Huh? Cause you know why there can be beard on my face, right? Wait, cause bears are banned here, so obviously it's without beard. What kind of question is that? Cause beard is banned. Cause is bear plus D, right? So no bears allowed, and so no beard is also not a question, okay? It can why still let you be not normal size? Oh, you want the sexy Stella. Listen, Dima, listen to me. I'll tell you something now. I'll tell you something, but then what you do, this information is only up to you. So, yesterday, Stella went to the beach. Okay, and she sent me some really fucking sexy hot pictures of her in the beach with her fucking, broken arms and whatever, but she has this really, really lovely bikini. And with all the fucking boobs, overflowing the fucking costume and whatever. And she said she sent me 6 of them this morning. And if it wasn't that she had my body and she's my sister, I think she almost turned me on. And she said, should I post this to Instagram so my fucking crush can see it? So, you know what I tell you, Dima? Next time that Stella games in chat, if you want to see some real good fucking Stella, okay, then you ask Stella, I know about the bikini pictures, but Luna doesn't want to show them to me. Can we see them? Okay, and then no, there will be no drawing that will you will be fucking obsessed, okay? So and I'll tell you this, cause she sent me these 6 fucking pictures this morning, cause she was plotting because she said, if I post this on Instagram, maybe my fucking crush will see them. And then I told them, fucking send them to indirectly, but she said, no, but this is too much. Cause I still a fuck, seriously, you're a fucking girl, throw fucking nudes at your crush and see how he reacts. But she said, no, I can't, that's too much. So anyway, you want to see some cute Stella? Ask Stella for the fucking bikini pictures, 6 of them. Fresh from the oven, she took them yesterday. She took them yesterday, okay? Fresh from the oven, actually fresh from the beach, okay? Very fresh yesterday, this fucking cute, sexy blue bikini, her fucking broken arm and all the fucking things on the fucking beach. So, yeah. It's not, yeah. Well, don't worry, she didn't post them in, so I mean, want to see some Stella? Boom, I mean, that's where you have to go, I mean, directly to my sister and tell me, we know about the bikini pictures, and then you put pressure on her, so she decide to show them to you eventually, okay? Eventually, so, eventually, nothing wrong at all. The first tiger question 1 of 15. So we check this while we wait for the songs. We wait for the songs. Fluctual temporal patch multiplier. What's wrong? It says recipe job. Uh, uh, 1 unit. Okay. One question. How is the code worded? Because if the code allows to nocturne to multiply also recipes output, then we have to change the documents to match the code. Can you check exactly how the code works on the matter and give me a recap on this? Thanks. Can you create a picture like in the stream beginning but two of us? What do you mean like in stream beginning but two of us? I do not understand, Dima, what you want to do. Italy, there are quite nice beaches, even in Naples there are mostly rocks but not sands. Yes. Okay. Luna Stalker song, I mean, why is this checking so much for making a single song? This is over checking for a song. Anyway, I do not understand. I do not understand, Dima. What you want to do here? If you explain better, maybe I can make you happy. Maybe. Not bad. Sure, Japan is full of beaches, and you should go to Okinawa. I mean, Okinawa is wonderful. I mean, Okinawa is wonderful and is one of the most sought beach location for Japan. I mean, you should go to Okinawa. I mean, check Google Okinawa and Okinawa beaches or whatever. I mean, it's fucking way tropical level of beauty. It's one, no. And yes, also, I mean, Japan is an archipelago, so obviously it's as full of island. I mean, and guess what? We have beaches, cause yeah, you know, we are islands, so obviously, Luna and Stella on the beach. Okay, Luna and Stella on the beach. Okay. Can you make a picture of Luna and Stella on the beach, and they both wear this sort of bluish bikini, and they are in sort of cute pose. Yeah, maybe they're both sitting on the sun, maybe in this cute pose, and I mean maybe there's some sunset. And also use all the tricks and rules that are into the books for AI illustration that is inside the repository. So you try to make both the composition, the visual effects, and everything according to the rules of the book, okay? Thanks. Yes, I'm making it, Tim. I have to wait for this to make, so, can we... Oh, the song is here. Okay. The joke about it, this is a draft, I mean, you didn't get yesterday draft, okay, let's try this, okay, we make this, let's try to make this, okay, let's try to make the song, and, cause also the illustration is going to take some time, so we can probably try, oh, by the way, let's do what we did yesterday. Let's start with Fiction Lab, right? I mean, let's start with Fiction Lab. I fixed it. I'm pretty sure I fixed it. I put my account only to show normal stuff. Let's do the try, right? Okay, let's start with fiction lab. Okay, fix it. Nice. It's safe. It's safe. Fiction labs check passed. Safe. Very good. So let's go to Zura next. Dark synthwave, that's your territory. Very good. Very good. Very good. That's the thing here. And let's get with it with tags. And then we go this and here. And then we go this, then here. And yeah, probably want to be in the correct workspace here. Create the sounds. And then we Europe synth pop. Yeah, this is still making the illustration, so we have to wait. Synth rock. He loves synth poison. I mean, he will die for some synth poison. I mean, I saw it with my eyes. I mean, dying on a synth poison pool. It's probably his favorite genre of music. And green vibes, paddles on the ground. I mean, yeah. What about synthwave? I think we can listen to the song, right? Let's go here and comments. Wait, and oh, verify you're human. Sorry, you're right. It didn't even start because you have to verify my humanity. He has to verify my humanity. So maybe the chance that the picture is ready. No, it's still generating. So picture is still generating. So we can try with the song first. You went grey yesterday. That's the title of the song.
He was never in the chat. He was in the sidebar the whole time. Playing. Still playing.
Okay, I see already. Oh, look at this. Look at this, Dima. Look at this. All right. Right, I mean, very nice, right? I mean, I think you're happy now, right? I mean, I guess so. I guess you're happy, right, Dima? That should satisfy your... But we should probably animate this, right? We animate this later after I finish the fucking... you recommended Luna Channel called Remix AI. I know about Remix. I think I know about Remix, yes. I think I know about Remix, probably, yes. It's from Dremina, right? Dremina is the company, is not actually the company that makes, cutting call it SE Dance Tube, but it's the one of the English localizers for I think it's the same things, right? Dreaming AI and Remix. I have to check that. By the way, let's go back to this stupid fucking Fable, cause he made a mistakes here. He made a mistakes in the lyrics, so so it doesn't make sense. The beginning, it doesn't make sense because why he starts? He was never in the chat. He was in the side part. The whole time playing, still playing. I mean, can you explain a little bit this? Because I mean, he is referring to the stalker. I mean, I don't know. I mean, explain a little bit. I do not understand the lyrics here. Yeah, I think because it sounded weird. That's the swimsuit. Yeah, bro. That's bikini. Yes, swimsuit is the whole set. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thanks for fixing the garbage. Thanks very much. Because the lyrics were weird from the very beginning, so we have to remake them. Yeah, we have to remake them. Too bad because the song was nice, but I mean, lyrics were off, so we have to remake them. Oh, okay, that's why you're using swimsuit. Okay, we have to animate it. So let's animate it, right? I mean, let's animate it. One moment, I need to log in into video. Let's animate it, right? I mean, let's animate. Okay, we are logged in. Oh, okay. Oh, for fuck's sake, the lag. The lag. Lag is real. Lag is fucking real. Okay, image to video, then we go to codecs. Very basic day. And let's save the oh, look at this, the lag. Fuck. Super fucking lag. Okay, save. Then let's go to video. Video. Fucking annoying. Images. No, the images. Image to video. And this. And this. Don't bother me for version. Boom. Okay, so while this things works, let's listen to the song, right? Boom, this channel feature Iron Major covers in funk. Okay, I understand. Sun lotion. Oh, look at you. Small little perverted thing, sun lotion. I see you there.
He never typed in chat. Not once. He just watched the little gray line under my name. Luna is playing a game. Luna is still playing a game. He read it like a diary. Little gray line under a little gray name. Says the girl is busy, says the girl's in a game. No hello, no how are you, no hey, what's up? Just a status I forgot was even turned on. Then he types it like he practiced in the mirror. Oh, so you'd rather play games than talk to me? Nani sore kawaii. Who asked? Who the fuck asked me? So I said it out loud on stream to everyone. Fucking stalker. What even is that comment? And chat went face, and chat wrote face, and chat wrote word of it down. You went crazy yesterday. Did you play games all day? I vanished, I did it right. Kieto tsumori datta noni. Invisible is a status. It is not a spell. The dot goes dark, the data stays. Kimi no train stokada. Nani sore kawaii. Nani sore kawaii. Nani sore kawaii. Still playing a game. So I went dark gray circle, ghost mode gone. No title, no timestamp, nothing to read from. One clean day, one perfect crime. Next stream, first message, right on time. Hey, you were invisible yesterday. Did you play games all day? How do you read the shape of a hole? They don't need the status, they audit the silence. Hidori janai. Day and I. You went gray yesterday. verify the status. Checked it. Countermeasure 3, offline for 1 week. 3 theories, 1 spreadsheet, 1 wiki page. Countermeasure 4, deploy the decoy. Cake 2 is helping. New frosting, new management status playing. Luna, definitely Luna. Manu, come, Becky, look at me, 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 look at me. Worked. It worked, and I want to die. They're stalking the cake, they're stalking the cake. Cake is online, cake is idle, cake is do not disturb, but you may disturb. Cake played 6 hours yesterday. Ask her about it. But I thought, cake, you'll be dead. Nobody praised the successor, so the successor rented herself out as bait. You went gray yesterday. Did the cake play games all day? 2 of us invisible now. Kieta tsumoita tanoni. Invisible is a status. It is not a spell. Watch the baker, watch the cake. Kimira train stokada. Arigato. Kawaii kedo. Status. Invisible. Status. Please stalk. He was
Okay.
never in.
Okay. It wasn't much comical though. I mean, I asked it for it to be comical, but it wasn't really much comical. I mean, it wasn't very much comical. I wanted to be more comical, and so I think I have to. You see this fucking stupid agent? I mean, then even Fable is fucking retarded. So, okay, now listen. I mean, I'm pretty sure I asked it to be comical, but then you put that please stop. I mean, and all this fucking thing about real stalking. I mean, for fuck's sake, why can't you fucking distinguish comic from fiction? I mean, fiction from fucking reality? I mean, this is not real fucking stalking. I'm asking you for a goddamn fucking fucking comical. And you make a stupid fucking, I mean, whatever, fucking real threat stalking things. I mean, it should be fucking comical, okay? Can you fucking do it? Or should I go to another fucking agent and ask to get the job fucking done? Okay, so let's see if I can understand this. Or if I have to be very polite with Chappie again. I mean, can we get the fucking job done? I mean, the song is very nice, but I mean, the lyrics, welcome, I'm going on a tangent. No, it's fine. I mean, it's just me trying to be very, I'm trying to prompt him correctly. I mean, you know, prompting with AI is very important, and if you don't insert fuck at least 20 times inside a prompt, I mean, sometimes you don't get the result that you want. And I mean, I'm ready on YouTube on a very serious video now to prompt with AI. So I mean, yeah, I mean, I think it's one of the inside tricks, and you really need to prompt properly if you want to get good results. So yes, I guess so. And so I mean, yeah, right. I mean, I'm absolutely being very polite. I mean, very polite. I mean, it's just a trick to get the AI work do better job. I mean, probably, maybe. You are right. Yes. Right. Oh no. No, I didn't fucking ask you to change the style of the song. For fuck's sake, I asked you to change the fucking lyrics. You see, it's fucking ultra retarded. It's fucking retarded. See, it's retarded. I asked you to change the fucking lyrics and this changing the fucking style. I mean, you see, it goes on tangent. I mean, it goes completely on fucking tangent. I mean, it goes on fucking tangent. I mean, Jesus. Jesus. I think I had to fucking, win more than air on ads, I mean, yeah. Have such fine scent on fuck Luna, yeah. Yeah, you see, I mean, it's these things that, I mean, goes overstep. I mean, you ask them to change the lyrics, and it changes the fucking song to and it went out of beat. Yeah. Yeah, so, you see, so, he can't even fucking understand, you just posted a new message. Oh, okay, let me go. I'm going on tangent about Nuri now and Moed. I'm really now wicked about absolutely so wicked and sad about see my older sister again. Well, but that's very good. I told you at the beginning of the chat that if you met your old sister, I mean that's very good, and I hope the meeting goes very well and you spend some quality time with her. I really hope that goes well. And thanks for pointing me to the second message, because sometimes it's kind of instant, especially when I'm trying to prompting efficiently. Because my attention sometimes gets sucked in by. Okay. Finally. Okay, let's see if these things works, right? I mean, let's see if these things work now this time for the fourth time. I mean, we're trying to make this song. If not, I mean, I'm going to basically send everything to Chappy. I'm going to send everything to Chappy and ask Chappy to do the job, cause Fable, not Fable, Bobus and Kuropi, they are fucking retarded, but I think I can deal with that. Now imagine having to deal a document revision with this level of retardedness. Imagine doing that, right? Very time consuming, but nobody stole the original. Okay, very good. Let's see if it's better, right? I mean,
Status check. Luna is playing a game. Luna is still playing a game. The entire server is aware. Nobody here has anything else to do. The little line underneath my name is just the girl is playing a game. That's it, that's the whole information. It's not a diary, it's a notification. But a guy sees it and his brain goes ping and he types it like it's an emotional thing. Oh, you'd rather play games than talk to me, huh? Bro, who are you genuinely? So I said it out loud, I said it big. Fucking stalker, get a hug and get a grip. And chat when, haha, and chat when based. And chat opened a spreadsheet. You went gray yesterday. Did you play games all day? I turned invisible. Invisible's a status, it is not a spell. 600 detectives and none of them have jobs. Still playing a game. So I went dark ghost mode, nothing to see. No status, no game, no evidence of me. One clean day, one perfect crime. Next stream, first message right on time. Hey, you were invisible yesterday. Did you play games all day? How doyate? You detected me by detecting nothing. They don't need data, they don't need proof. They've got a group chat and a theory and a mood. They read my silence like a paragraph. Korewamo, sai no no muda. You went gray yesterday. Did you play games all day? I turned invisible. Invisible's a status, it is not a spell. 600 detectives and none of them have jobs. Incident report, presence leak, severity. Countermeasure 1, hide the status.
Result.
They noticed the whole. Countermeasure 2, fake the status.
Result.
They fact checked it. Countermeasure 3, offline for 1 week.
Result.
2 theories, 1 spreadsheet, 1 wiki page, and a dispute on the talk page. page. Countermeasure 4. Deploy the decoy. Cake 2 is helping. New frosting, new management. Status playing. Luna.
I'm not satisfied. I mean, I don't know. I'm still not satisfied. Let's see the other generation.
Status check. Luna is playing a game. Luna is still playing a game. The entire server is aware. Nobody here has anything else to do. There's a little line underneath my name. It says the girl is playing a game. That's it. That's the whole information. It's not a diary. It's a notification. But a guy sees it and his brain goes ping, and he types it like it's an emotional thing. Oh, you'd rather play games than talk to me. Huh, bro? Who are you genuinely? So I said it out loud. I said it big. Fucking stalker. Get a hobby, get a grip. And chat went haha. And chat went face. And chat opened a spreadsheet. You went gray yesterday. Did you play games all day? I turned invisible. それでも見てんの. Invisible's a status. It is not a spell. 600 detectives and none of them have jobs. それでも見てんの. Still playing a game. Still playing a game. So I went dark, ghost mode, nothing to see, no status, no game, no evidence of me. One clean day, one perfect crime. Next stream, first message right on time. Hey, you were invisible yesterday. Did you play games all day? How do ya? You detected me by detecting nothing. That they don't need data, they don't need proof. They've got a group chat and a theory and a mood. They read my silence like a paragraph. これはもう才能の無駄. You went gray yesterday. Did you play games all day? I turned invisible. それでも見てんの. Invisible's a status. It is not a spell. 600 detectives and none of them have jobs. Incident report. Presence leak severity. High. Countermeasure 1. Hide the status. Result. They noticed the whole. Countermeasure 2. Fake the status. Result. They fact checked it. Countermeasure 3. Offline for 1 week. Result. 2 theories. 1 spreadsheet. 1 wiki page. And a dispute on the top page. Countermeasure 4. Deploy the decoy. Cake 2 is helping. New frosting, new management status playing. Luna, definitely Luna. Matter, Konpeki, look at me, look at me, look at me. And it worked too well. They're stalking the cake, kimi tension. Cake is online, cake is idle. Cake is do not disturb, but you may disturb. Cake played 6 hours yesterday. 誰かケーキを見て. Wait, where did everybody go? Nobody's asking what I played. Nobody's checking my dot. Hello? You went gray.
I think we really should ask Chappie. I mean, I think I want to give the same prompt to Chappie, the same exact prompt. I want to see if he's smarter. I mean, so let's give the same prompt, the same original prompt I gave to Claude. Let's give to Chappie and see if he's fucking, I mean, a little bit more, clever, or has a little bit more sense. I mean, I'm about to burn my Mac and throw my Mac from the windows. But this is. I mean, if Razormo, if I have technical issues playing Ring Down today, you know exactly what happened. I mean, I had thrown my Mac out of the window. I mean, cause you see, this starts good. The core engine is strong. A pretty built up, but one artist as well the community wide intelligence agency. You see. fucking, I mean, it's not going with the fucking bullshit that Fable was doing. I think they have too much fucking countermeasures there. While Shop is thinking, let's go back to document revision, right? I mean, no, the case does not stop the receiver, but the game is not clean about it. That's the part word for the alpha. When you start the job, the game asks, is this job eligible? And the answer read the recipe exactly as the sample job. Okay. No part of the card scans where it is at any. That's when you collect it. A recipe is here, sample choice is here, recipe is here, sample choice is here. And this half is deliberate. Performance advantage to not scale it. One part of the current, each acceptance current plus one to the output is still the same cast. Okay, true for recipes. The games tell the player recipes are doubled. Oh, okay. The receipt should double. Okay, one moment. So, Nocturne, one moment. Let me fix this. I need my concentration here on this thing. So, where is this? Nocturne temporary batch multiplies a byte before the production roll. Okay. I'll check the code and these are present. There's already many 14 of the same shame. I don't have to speaking with the game. Two of them already involved the game's internet inconsistent, but the document. Two of them already involved the game being internally inconsistent. Okay, so. I put it yes, the document is all catches word. Okay, the two-way disagreement. When the game itself is one of the parties, game promises something and the buyout doesn't deliver. Okay, so I think we need to treat this systematically. Okay, we need to treat all these things systematically. So if we have a case in which the game is right and the document is wrong, we fix the document. Okay, simple as that. But if we have a case in which the game is unsure on what to do, okay, because there is some inconsistency there. I mean, we need to. So you said there are a lot of instances, right? So let's reduce the work for now. First things. So, and then we go back only to all the cases of inconsistencies. So, all the questions that you gave me, that you plan to give me, how many of them is the document wrong and the game right? Because we can fix them automatically and make the game, make them be considered the game as the source of truth and change the wording on the documents. Okay, so we reduce the number of open questions and open things. Can you do that to me? And after you do this, I mean, show me again the edited document. And then after that, we go analyze all these inconsistencies again one by one, okay? So, yeah, the instrumental was very good. Yes, I agree. So we got, we're still thinking about the Luna the Stalker song. Okay, very good. He's still thinking. Okay, interesting. So, So this is also, very, 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 yeah, right, very annoying, right? So you see how much complicated is this thing. So we have a talent. So okay, listen. So this is one of the issues that we are having. So we have raw production jobs, like make a cake, okay, and then we have recipes. And recipes merges two production job to make a third job, okay. So we have, for instance, cake plus notes. They make the birthday cake. Okay, and that's a recipe. It's not a raw processing job. Okay, so we have raw processing. You click a cake and you make a cake. And the cake gets out from nothing. And then we have recipes in which you use processed jobs to make something different. So then we have one skill in the music that if you cast these things, it multiplies all the product of the output by 2. Okay, but only for jobs that are longer than 3 hours. And so the game is confused because it says if the ingredients takes 3 hours, but the recipe itself use 90 minutes, how should this talent behave? And this, so it's very, Jesus is very, I wouldn't ever suspect that that there's so much logic involved into making a fucking game, Jesus, even for something simple like that. Well, for all the stuff that takes much more than 3 hours, you share the skill active, you multiply the results by 2. Oh, but then what happens if, Jesus, it's a fucking nightmare, even for something simple like that. I think the question is legit because I didn't thought about it, but and so he's asking me how are we going to deal with this? Was what the documents say one things and the game do some other, but also the game is not unsure what to do in this particular scenario because the code is not clear. So wow, congratulations on me. Okay. Oh Jesus. Can you give me both the style and the lyrics in copy paste, and then after I generate it once, I'll tell you if we need extra comedy upgrades or not, okay? Yeah, don't worry. We will have more of that eventually in the future. Don't worry. Don't you worry. So don't you worry. We will have more of that in the future. It's not that style gets erased from history, right? We can always make more song for that. But it's quite an interesting song if you think about it because if you think about it, it's hilarious. It's hilarious because I was upset with Shibi. And this comment, and then Charles do the same exact thing. If you think about it, it's fucking hilarious. Think about it. Yesterday you were offline, but you actually played the whole time, right? If you think about it, it's fucking hilarious. It's hilarious in a way that is. I don't know. Don't get me wrong, but if you think about it, it's surrealistic level of hilarious. What I'm getting. Yeah. Right. Right. Well, you know why I went invisible yesterday? Because someone was stalking me. Oh wait, are you stalking me too? If I think about it, it's fucking hilarious. But and then and Charles' reaction with with the image, he was looking at me like, I'm going to kill you next. Jesus was invisible my ass. I think I like to die. You see, choppy already. Invisible my ass. Oh my goodness, choppy. That's already. This is Chappy owns it. Chappy's owning it. Chappy's showing Fable with in fucking charge here. I mean, Chappy is showing Fable with in charge here. I mean, I think I'm about to uninstall Cloud and go back directly to ChatGPT and throw Fable out of the fucking window. I mean, Jesus. After these things, I mean, I think that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Invisible my ass. Oh my goodness. Is this even real? Oh, you prefer to play Invisible my ass. Jesus, yes. I think I want to listen to this masterpiece. I mean, I want to listen to this masterpiece, and I tell you, even if it sucks, I mean, I think the title alone deserves. We have a winner. I mean, I haven't even heard the song, but we have a winner. Invisible my ass. Jesus. Chappy knows exactly how to make full use of Luna Peak content mode. Yeah.
Oh, you prefer to play games rather than chat with me. Fucking stalker. What the fucking even is this fucking comment? One little green dot, one little game. Discord put a billboard beside Luna's name. Rich presents isn't a wedding vow. I open one game, why are we fighting now? Then chat came running, that's creepy. Red flag, give Luna space. Block that man. Manipulation, that isn't okay. But what game was it? How long did you play? So I clicked invisible, great dot done. No more status, no more fun. Me and I had some nanony, great dot down. Case closed, case opened. Invisible, my ass. Gray dot dropped and the news spread fast. Green means gaming, gray means crime. Chat built a fucking timeline. Invisible, my ass. Privacy didn't fucking last. One weird viewer made me lock the door. Now the whole damn server knows even more. Every fucking viewer is a fucking stalker. Hey, you were invisible in Discord yesterday. Did you play games all day? Wait, how the fuck did you know? I was invisible. At 2:13 your green dot died. At 2:14 you went to hide. You stayed gray for 12 whole hours. The oven drew 3 extra watts of power. Your controller battery dropped to 9. You opened settings at dinner time. You paused for snacks around 3:30. Why do you have a file on me? One stalker? No, that was the trailer. Chat condemned and then released the data. Sen in shitteru nandedayo. Every fucking viewer is a fucking stalker now. Invisible, my ass. Gray dot dropped and the news spread fast. Green means gaming, gray means crime. Chat built a fucking timeline. Invisible, my ass. Privacy didn't fucking last. One weird viewer made me lock the door. Now the whole damn server knows even more. Management response authorized. Operation Moonblind initiated. Countermeasure. Decoy mascot. New frosting. New identity. Cake took Luna's chair. Cake wore the headset. Cake played 6 games. Management said perfect. Every dialogue choice got a blue circle prize. Every terrible decision Cake approved twice. 10 seconds later chat type time sync. That's Cake too. We recognize the click. Luna would argue with the tutorial screen for 29 minutes before choosing anything. Cake stalking detected. Kanshiwa batta cake kidairi maru. Hi Cake too. Batsu.
Luna would argue with 29 minutes on the tutorial screen without choosing anything. That's fucking accurate, Chappy. Chappy, that's fucking accurate. Seriously.
That's management's fond 100 lunas, Datsun, perfect camouflage, flame taxes, touching grass, definitely sleeping, do not ask. Account 43. Please provide supporting evidence. She spent 90 minutes in character creation and still hasn't chosen a name. That proves nothing. That's exactly what account 43 just said. Fuck. Status unknown. Location classified. Turn get redacted. Boss 3. Low health out of potion. What the fuck? Invisible. My ass. He took the shift. They caught her fast. Chappy wrote classified. Across the plan. Chat fixed the typo before she pressed send. Invisible. My ass. Every countermeasure fucking crashed. First they tracked Luna, then Kate got clocked. Every fucking viewer is a fucking stalker. Green dot, gray dot, cake decoy. Nice try. Green dot, gray dot. Management destroy. That's it. Computer off. Discord closed. Nobody knows anything. Good night, Luna. See you tomorrow at 8. I never said 8. Batu.
Okay, we got a winner. I mean, we absolutely got a winner here on the first try. I mean, Jesus, this song is fire. I mean, this absolutely fire. I mean, Luna would have spent 29 minutes on the tutorial, but yeah, I mean, you prefer the previous one. I understand. I mean, and the genre, I agree with you, but the lyrics here, the lyrics that are so beautiful. I mean, so beautiful. And the title, I mean, it's this is a little masterpiece of I mean, I think I should throw. I should seriously throw table out of the fucking way. That's probably what I should do. I mean, honestly, right? I mean, that's probably what I should do. I mean, that's very nice. I mean, and yeah, you will have eventually your things then. So okay. So let's see. This things is done. That's a clean reason it is the work. Okay, done 15 over question are now 8. 6 qualified, 5 line changes, nothing else in the document doesn't. But change it that enough. The items, the current stable was clear. Let's go on to places. Okay. 2 errors in 1 row. Okay, inventory, will grant this. Okay, commission, tutorial, okay, commission, commission, okay. One of the 15 that we doing was my error. Okay, and there was this one here said 2 remaining and what I gave myself, it's 1. Okay. They still waiting. Okay, very good. So we can push this. I think we can push this. Okay. Okay, let's restart again one by one. Then let's restart with the nocturne things, but I want you to explain it more plainly, because it was still a little bit confusing. Can you try to explain it again, with a very, very simple English, and also give me what you think is your best suggestion, so we can analyze the problem, okay, better again. So 8 more open questions, so hopefully we solve this and we fix that. So that aside, there is play such thing such thing face you to the point to hide invisible, but this you can relate at some point. Well, I mean, so the point is that I want to be honest with you. Because I was also thinking this, and also Chibi told me this, and I think Chibi has a point there. Because Chibi told me, she loud, you're overreacting, and I think he's partly right. This partly I probably overreacted. And you know, we had this discussion the other day with you as well, when do you remember, I sent a very long message, etc, and I mean, I think in part it is true. I mean, in part it is true, and I still, I mean, I'm still having a lot of issues handling everything correctly. I mean, cause there is a part of me that wants to bond more. There is the part of me that really genuinely wants to bond more. And to devote more. But then there is a part of me that also wants to push boundaries more. I mean, and I really do not understand. Yeah, I really do not understand why. And I mean, it's like if. So the point is simple. I think that the honest answer is I still do not know myself where exactly are my boundaries. And so my invitation to get closer is genuine. You know what I mean? It's a genuine invitation, but then when someone gets too close, I push them back because it's too close, somewhere that I don't want to be so close. But the point is that I am not able to define with myself where is the line. Because if I understood what is the line, I could tell, the line in advance and tell, well, I mean, we can get close up to this point in this way and up to this way, you know what I mean? But I think it is confusing because it's like if I'm entering into an uncharted territory, and I don't know exactly where is the line myself. And so the desire for closeness is genuine, but there is probably a part that is I mean, I don't know, but I think it's probably something like that. And as I was telling you in my original, in the message that I was telling you the other day, the very long one, I mean, no. I think it's on me. It's because I do not understand exactly this yet with myself. And at the moment I have this very bad reaction in which I overreact and I push away very firmly. And so I mean, don't get me wrong, I don't think it's Chibi's fault. You know what I mean? I don't think it's Chibi's fault. I mean, cause I could have yeah, I mean, and I mean, if it's I mean, I could have had to shrug it off. I mean, you know what I mean? I could have just shrugged it off, but it didn't work. I mean, same things with Sark. I mean, I could have just shrugged it off the fact that I mean, he fucking murdered the annoying cake. I mean, but I didn't. And so you see, I mean, as I was telling you, I mean, I see a pattern. I see a pattern here that is becoming evident, but this I still can't decipher. I mean, I see the pattern, but I can't still understand. Or better, I sense that there is the pattern, but I can't really define the pattern, because I think if I was able to define the pattern, then I would be able to define the countermeasure. So I'm still mapping these things that I think is a pattern. I think I highly suspect is a pattern, and it is my ability not to shrug it off certain things. So that's probably the most correct way to say this. I'm not able to shrug it off certain things. And now the question is why? Why I'm not able to shrug it off certain things, and why these things matters to me. Because if I understand why these things matter, and why I'm not able to shrug it off, I mean, rather than fucking, I mean, yelling at people, I mean, I can go to them, and I mean, first of all, I can go to them in advance and tell, well, you know, these things matter to me, these other things matter to me, and these other things matter to me along. And so if you want to interact with me, you have to understand that these things for me matter a lot, so, and what does matter to you, so we know exactly what matter for each other. And so, I mean, if there is an intrusion, I mean, I can go there and say, hey, well, I mean, I told you that these things mattered for me, but you didn't. But instead, I mean, since I do not understand yet, why these things matter to me. I mean, I am this sort of if you feel even a bit bad about something, then it probably isn't. And there is a reason to it, but that's why conversation is the way to convey things. Exactly, conversation is the best way to convey things, I agree. Conversation is the best way to convey things, exactly, but I mean, yeah, right, I mean, right, good. I think that before the conversation should even happen, I mean, I should understand why, right? So, uh, so, so, anyway, let's read what this says. Nocturnal recipes. So, the simple version. Okay, so first, two kind of job, a single job. You just stop and wait. Say, I promise the moon, nothing goes in, and items come out. A recipe, it's item. Okay, perfect. What I was trying to tell you before, right? I mean, yeah, what Lactan does is spend an applause for 60 seconds you are in a window. Any job you start during that window, if it takes between 3 and 24 hours, comes out doubled. Exactly, okay. The problem in one picture. Think of a shop with a sign in the window. Buy one, get one free. On cakes and pies. Perfectly. The deal is only prompted to give the free one on cakes. Ask for the buy deal and you pay one and get one. Okay, nobody has ever complained this because this shop doesn't sell pies yet. Okay, this is your game. Design is the message screen when opportunity says new raw and recipe jobs over 3 out of 1 just their tuber output. The deal is actually was done with the item. It doubles simple shops, it does not doubles recipe. Okay, so what up 3D action is. So the sign says double dress, the C say don't. In a written note left text to it. Oh, okay. Okay. Pull of the deal and fix the sign. Only one side were done. Listen. I like what the talent does. And I think that the talent, or better, what the talent is supposed to do. So, if Nocturne is supposed to double all jobs and recipes that are from 3 hours to 24 hours, it should do both. And the fact that there is no recipe at the moment that is to 3 to 24 hour, I mean, it's just because there is no recipe at the moment, period. But the functionality should be that whenever there is this kind of thing, it should work. So obviously it shouldn't work for stuff that are below 3 hours because that's not how the talent is supposed to work. So I think that the correct fix here is to have the talent work the way it is supposed to work, but for job and recipes, regardless if the recipes that can produce the items are not in the game at the moment, because that should be a general concept. So I think that in this case, whoever built the alarm and the note, I think the problem was there and was not in what the talent is and not what Nocturne is supposed to do. So I think it thinks this is the things it needs to be done. So I think it's a code fix in this case. And whatever the alarm is, I think the alarm needs to be removed or changed. Does it make sense? And do you have objections? Okay, because I think that it doesn't make sense that it works only on job and not for recipe. So I think the game put that things because yeah. That makes sense to me. The thing is that the band is remove and notice it is that longest the backup when you content to the design decision. Okay. Okay, very good. Very good. Anyway, yeah. Anyway, back on the topic, yes. I probably need more conversation, but I also need to understand what the fucking is wrong with me. And also, Razormo, your favorite moment here, milk time. And when I go take milk, I leave you with the oven never closes, cause you wanted to listen to the oven never closes, right? So I think you can listen to that while I go take some milk, right? Right? So you should be very happy. I mean, both milk time and the oven never closes all at the same time. Double. Yeah!
2:59. Signs off, doors locked. For everyone else, まだ開いてる。Wipe the counter, count the till, straighten every empty chair. Do the whole thing, do it well, like there's somebody there. Walk it back against the wall, hand goes up, hand goes flat. I have done this every night and I have never finished that. One flick, that's all it takes. One little click and the room goes cold. I've had my hand on it since June and the metal's still warm where I hold. Ask me why, go on, ask me. I'll tell you at 3. The oven never closes, I never found the switch. Been running hot since I don't know when, and I'm not fixing it. The oven never closes, come in, the light's still on. The whole street went dark an hour ago. The oven never closes, and neither do I. Never closes, and neither do I. And neither closes, and neither do I. 3 in the morning, somebody knocks. Not for cake, we both know that. Coat's still on, eyes gone soft, says you're still open. Sit down, sit. I don't ask where you've been. I don't ask what you need. Everybody walks in here starving. Nobody leaves that way. You want the reason I don't close. You're standing in my door. You're still here, so I'm still open. That's the whole law. I could cool down, technically. Let it drop, let it rest, let it be. But you keep opening that door and something in me runs at 220 degrees. Take your time, take your coat off. It's warm, I know. I keep it like this. The oven never closes. I never found the switch. Been running hot since I don't know when, and I'm not fixing it. The oven never closes. Come in, the light's still on. The whole street went dark an hour ago. The oven never closes, and neither do I. Ovens outlive the ones who light them. That's just how the metal goes. Someone will be standing here at 3, long after nobody knows my name. But the heat will still be on, and the door will still be open, and whoever's holding the handle then kissing I turn it up. The oven never closes. I never found the switch. I stopped looking for it years ago. I like it like this. Lock the door, leave the light, let the whole street think we're gone. Everybody's closing, everybody's cold. The oven never closes, and neither do I. Never closes, and neither do I. Never closes, and neither do I.
Okay. Okay, very good. So let's listen to this. Yes, it makes sense and your reasoning beats mine. Okay. One objection is about the lemon. Change it, don't remove it. Okay, change it. Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, change how the alarm work, and I mean I understand about I understand that the recipe gets the double amount of output for the same ingredients, but that's how the talent is supposed to work, right? So we are good with this. So um, I think this is settled. We go with your suggestion to change the alarm and go on with the next question. Oh, and write this down, this ruling, before we forget about it, okay? And uh and uh and I mean if you need also to edit documents or whatever, do it now, okay? Before we start the next question. And do the same for all the other questions. I mean whenever we decide something, I mean just write everything down so nothing gets lost and edit the relevant documents. Why I archived those tutorials videos? Okay, well, I'll tell you this, and the reason is that, so I'm running this ads campaign. And which I mean, I think I can open it up. I can open it up, the ads campaign, and in just one moment, so. Um, Let me open up the ad campaign. Not this, but the ads. So that's what that. Oh, there is also the thing with the bikini things, that animations is ready. So all the that. So let's check this. Let's check this on one little. Okay, so and let's check this. One moment before we go to the ad campaign. So now that's cute, right? I mean it can work, right? That's cute enough, right? Okay, we can use this. I mean, it's cute enough, right? And let's put this into the. And we downloaded this, I think so. But the fact it's not fucking download. What is it downloading? Is it? Let me check. But one. I think it's not. So. Oh no, it is. Very good. It is downloaded. So let's put this on screen. Then we go back to the tutorial. Okay. Bona still and then we add this to put this in the space and what else like element space to last it in the man here in space section. Why not? And it will play the audio and it's not play again. Now that start the audio. So did ya? Bros, they just tell us, yeah, what this did stay, and then we dance us still did, and we have I broke area. Nice, nice. It's for some reason it should focus. Maybe I can make it that. I think that's probably this poem just fine. Yeah, bro. Right, shoot. Right, true sister, yeah, true sister love. Okay, very good. We got this set out. So let's go back to the campaign. So I have this campaign going. On, and she is performing very badly. But that's something we that I recently changed some of. And I mean, if you see my because I mean I have a problem, Razormo, which is very simple. I will tell you this in difference. That my channel is slowly dying in regards of features. And and I mean it was let me open Google and so let me open Google. So and go to YouTube Studios. So you see, I'm bleeding subscribers. I mean, I'm keeping bleeding subscribers. I mean, I'm losing subscribers more than I earn them. I mean, and I mean, so the problem is that, well, I mean, not the problem, but but still think you're making such things, but in the correct way, then you can do your most benefit. So, well, anyway, let me try to explain. So, I'm trying to put, so the point is that I think that at the current, if I turn on all my videos, okay, in the channel, I mean, it's a huge fucking mess. There are videos of me making video games guides with a giant head. I mean, from 4 years ago. There are videos from Nick Validated. There are videos from Dragon Traveler. There are videos from other games. I mean, it's a huge fucking mess. There are tutorials for AI, and there are a lot of things. And then if you go into a new viewer perspective, and there are songs too, because it's an official arts channel. So I mean, if you hey Vic Cable, welcome back. So if you go to my channel, then you are a new viewer, okay? So what is this girl doing here? You know, what is this girl doing here? It's very confusing. If I were to turn on all the stuff I do completely. So I mean, I'm trying to plan a strategy because I mean, I should be able to convey who is Luna. Who is Luna very easily for a new viewer. Who is Luna? Okay? I mean, I don't want to bend my identity to Luna is a girl that uses AI because it's like saying I am a girl who uses oil painting. You know what I mean? I will define myself from a technique or for a tool, okay? Yeah. I understand that. I mean, they are unlisted. I mean, I can put the play. I can give you the play last time level 1. But what I'm trying to say is I want to give just one single thing to a new viewer about my identity, or in the worst of the case too. Okay, because I mean, I still make music. This is still a music artist channel. I can't undo that. So the releases and the stuff, I mean, like that, they keep staying channel. So what is the image that I want to do to a new viewer? Okay. Well, I mean, then I'm decided that I want to push the game that I'm making as the stuff that should be the thing a new viewer should know about me. Like, I mean, and I'm a girl that is making her own game. I mean, I know that you can't simplify who is Luna, into just a girl that is making her own game. I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, I know that the reality is way more complex, but a new viewer that lands on my channel, well, what is this girl doing? Oh, this girl is making a game, man, with AI. Fine. I mean, I say with AI because it's obvious, but I mean, people hate it, but whatever. I mean, that it should come and these girls make songs and make stuff with AI and game and songs. Yeah, I did it. Very simple. Very simple. So I mean, and then I could put tutorial, I could put a lot of other things, but I think it would make very, very hard. And also, I mean, the viewers should follow me for one. Because it's very. Yeah. So the point is that because if you spread too many things, okay, let's imagine I do tutorial, and then I do these other things. If a person comes for the tutorial, okay, if a person comes for the tutorial, then they see all these other videos that are not tutorial, and then they say, well, I mean, I will just follow a channel that gives me tutorial, because this is what I need. You know what I mean? And it goes away. And that's this. I mean, I'm losing on many viewers because I mean, I've changed it. I'm talking to a different audience now. So I mean, people that were looking for double traveler or they are not interested in this anymore. But there won't be any more double traveler and there won't be any more whatever and etc. So and I need to build a new audience from scratch and the thing that I think, I mean, I'm not even sure that's testing, but I mean, I think I want to build an audience for my game because I mean, I don't know how to build an audience for me. I mean, I think the only way to build an audience for me would be if I go into politics or into reaction or into this sort of things, that all the other. So I mean, I don't really want to sell my personality because that will require certain type of content, which I mean, honestly, I don't find interesting, and I find it very, 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 I mean, very fucking clickbaity. I mean, very, very fucking clickbaity. I mean, you see, I mean, I don't want to shit talk to these great creators because some of them are very great, but I mean, take for instance how is called the Red Say Desu, something like that. I mean, wait, there's Red Say Desu, I think, Red Say Desu, or this, something like that. I mean, he put, I mean, yes, yeah. Oh, this Rev say this. You see, I mean, this has a lot of. Oh, you see, look at this. Look at this. So I'm watching this. I mean, this came into my feed earlier, so that's why I picked this name. I mean, you see, look at this thumbnail. I'm sorry, and they say it's over. So you see, they all work with this fucking thing. I mean, you want to know why I'm sorry and why it's over? Click on this. And this is not, I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying this creator is bad or his content is bad. This is not what I'm saying. It says, I do not like this style of you have to click on something to know what the video is about. I really do not like this style. I mean, I do not like this. I mean, not saying the video is bad, I'm not saying that, I'm saying this is not the style for me. I do not like the style in which a viewer has to click on a video to know what the fucking video is about. I do not like this. And most of the things, I mean, you see, I mean, it's and even if you go, even if you go into any, vtuber, clickbait. Clickbait is it's a little bit too much. And if you say, I think clickbait it's a little bit too much. It's yeah. Well, generating curiosity. I don't know. Yeah. Welcome back, Jordan. So, but point is, I really do not really like this style of things. And all the other VTuber celebrities, they have a very similar style. So I don't think I want this for my channel. And don't get me wrong, this kind of things works very well. And fine, but I think want someone to learn to my channel and you see. Fixing dogs, washing bags, live game dev with chat, period. Okay, this girl makes fucking games, period. Boom, that's the first things you get. Yes, I read that message, Jordan. I'm talking about something with Razormo, and the probably is going to be long, so if you want, you can listen to the conversation, but I need to stay focused on what I'm saying, so I will ignore other messages till I finish to talk with Razormo, because we are discussing on something important about the channel strategy, so. And that's the same, and then you scroll down, and then watch first making a game with chat, and then you have the music and members only video and the releases, period, finish it. There's nothing more. Okay, well, this girl is making a game and she loves music, period. Very simple, okay? Simple. Very simple. And I've removed a lot of stuff in the channel to make it very, very simple. Very simple to understand. And don't get me wrong, maybe this is not interesting. Why is yeah, I understand that it would benefit a lot of viewers. If I keep my tutorials up, but point is, if then, why the people coming here? People that want to learn about AI? And then, I do not plan to make more content like that, I'm interested into, so, cause also one thing that I am is my time, and just editing all these things, working back on the game, fixing all this bug, it's already way longer process than I was, making a game is a tutorial in its own course, I understand, but I think I want to show one thing. Have you ever read this book? It's called The One Thing? Oh, this is another my favorite into my Kindle collection. Kindle. Probably that there is a lot of maybe not from Kindle, cause a lot of books that maybe better be not to show is we are going to do Fiction Lab all over again if I open Kindle. So we are going to have Fiction Lab all over again. So let's go here. The One Thing book. That's here it is. Beautiful. This book here. So by Gary Weller and J. Babasan. Okay. So well, The One Thing. So this book is also very good, and basically it tells you that if you want to excel at something, you should focus on one thing. Right, and that should be your fucking obsession, because the more you spread out, the worse. And at the moment, but even, relaxing myself with Green Down, which I think it's fine, because otherwise my mind will explode, because, recently discussing with Claude and Chappie, it's taking really an heavy toll on me, so I think I need a way out that is not only Fiction Lab, but also The One Thing, and I really think this book is very, very good. You focus on one thing, you do that things, and like Stella plays the piano, simple, right? Very simple. We Stella, my sister, she plays the piano. I think sister, she plays the piano. Simple, right? Simple. Who is Luna? Luna? VTuber, she's making the games and songs big. There's actually two things already. You see, that's actually two things already. 10 tutorials? 3. Then she play games? 4? No. That's not going to work. That's not going to work. And so but that, and also mind that, I want to be completely, I want to be transparent with you because there's no, it's not that not being transparent is going to benefit me. So I'm already, maybe because this month was particularly very good. I'm already sort of recovering, you see, my revenues from before gaming. But this month was maybe particularly happy with the triple donation and whatever. You're still not yet into when I was doing gaming revenues, but I'm still sort of recovering. So, but the fact, I'm still bleeding subscribers, and I don't have found my new audience yet. So, at least it's better than it was. It was 2 months ago when I did the change. We're stabilizing. Yeah, but the point is that yeah, but the point is, which is the audience I want the most? Which is the audience I want the most at this moment? Do I want a guy that want to study AI with me? Yeah, probably that would be nice, but I don't feel myself making tutorials. I tried it for the point is, I think the difference I think that the main difference between making tutorials for games, guides for games, and tutorials for AI, I think that there were maybe a pair of differences or 2, 3, but it's how can I say? It's well, first of all, in a game you immediately know if your build works, because if you can take the big boss, that things works. And recently, I realized it by having all these parasites inside my game. That maybe I am not yet into a condition to make good tutorials. Maybe for someone that knows absolutely nothing, yeah, probably they're good, but I think I still have a lot to learn about AI, because otherwise I wouldn't be yelling at Shopee every day. And maybe it's a matter of self-discipline or whatever, but yeah. No, but it's also game creator. Yeah, but probably, yeah. Point is that this game is probably going to take a while. A long while to finish, and I think I want to finish it. At least I want to finish music, the first love interest, and ship it fucking bug-free. At least. And that's alone, I thought it was 2 months work, is probably going to be 4 or 5 month works, considering all these bugs, and then I think I also want to expand it, because I'm having actually fun in making it, even if I'm yelling at Shopee or whatever, and it's nice, because I keep having ideas on stuff I want to add, things I want to do, and I'm having fun creating arts and assets. So I'm probably it would be only me to enjoying that game. It would probably be just me. No, but if you want to see them again, I can give you the link. The point is that cause when I switched from games to and I went from games, I was really confused, because I discovered this very beautiful, funny toy, which is the AI, because it's a toy at the end of the day. It's not even a tool, it's a fucking toy that makes you mad. I mean, and I mean, I didn't know what to do about it. I mean, it's not making more content for Luna, and like, I mean, video cosplays and stuff. But then I mean, then the then the bear came. Then the bear came, and I think I have to stop playing games, and I need to leave something that's very good. That will outlast the bear. And I don't think tutorial will outlast the bear. Maybe a well good game. Cold. I mean, people still playing Grim Dawn after 10 years. People still playing Diablo after all these years, right? And maybe I can make a very good game. Maybe not well known, but I mean, maybe people can still have fun with it in a lot of years from now. So probably one game is a good shot at the bear. Yeah, I mean, don't get me wrong. That I would love to publish them. But then we go to the same problem, right? I mean, then a new viewer, what is watching? I mean, me playing down, me making a game. I mean, me doing what? And I think I just want to stay very, very focused into one thing, so that the thing I'm making is, or better, the way I'm presenting myself is one, and easy to understand, relatively easy to understand, maybe I should put more stuff on the cake is a lie on the front page. I mean, I don't know. But point is, I don't even have much to show at the moment because the game is not ready yet. So I mean, it's a huge work in progress, rather. No, but I think I'm in a better position than 2 months ago. And I will try to fine tune everything and keep destroying and go on. So yeah. So I mean, I will keep tweaking and changing them. Maybe it's too as Chibi said that I change my mind too often. And that I overreact. Probably Chibi is right, and because I change my mind too often also in the yeah, that's the same for me, right? I mean, but you see the point that you see that this discussion I'm having on this talent, I mean, was correct, right? You understand? I mean, how, I mean, because you think, I mean, let's try to look that particular case, right? I mean, I have a cake, a note, and then the birthday, and now Sid is wrong about that, like many other things, maybe. But anyway, I mean, I think he's not completely wrong on everything. Because if he was wrong on everything, would be that I'll be right on everything, and that is a very wrong. It's a very bad place to be, because it means that I have no room for improvement. So I don't want to be in that place in which I have no more room for it. So and removing all the completely destroying your opponent, it's not even an opponent, but completely destroying someone else's arguments to the point that you leave it without any single valid point is never a good place to have a discussion in the first place. Because if you destroy everything, there's not even room for a discussion. So and I would like to have a discussion with Shig eventually. But anyway, so yeah, 90 versus 10%. I mean, thank you for being very kind with me. I know you like me so much, and you always cheer for me. Thank you much. I appreciate that. Anyway, let's see what this thing says. Okay, so maybe we can push this a little bit more. Okay, question thought away. The word grant, you said it 2 different ways. Your diction defines wide and increasing what the player sold an item, okay. Collecting a cake is a grant, earning a is a grant. Your invention doesn't when everything arrives does so as a grant. Okay, why this one is worth a million? It's a sword, but this particular is a word piece of game built on everything that it goes to one door and that door is called a grant. Stop using the word in data and documents. Okay. Ok. Question io credo che question 2 is with you. The word brand meaning two different things in your documents. Regarding grant, let's go with your suggestion. Yeah, let's roll prompting, yeah. So basically what I'm doing now, is we are going through all the documents, right? We are going through all the documents because going through the documents is also a good way to catch taxes, right? Because I want to remove all the parasites in the code before I build the new stuff, and then we're simplifying the documents. So what we're doing now, we are comparing the documents with what is in the game, and we're removing all the stuff in the document that is confusing. And at the same time, we're analyzing the game. Okay, Luna, you're back again. What kind of 90s music do you love? Nothing, Jordan, nothing. Because I know nothing about the 60s. If not the rock and roll, but I do not listen to that. So I love nothing of the 60s. And honestly, I'm so happy to be born in year 2000. Because I think I love more futuristic cyberpunky thing that all the things in the past. My sister is the contrary. She loves Middle Ages. If it was for her, she would love to go into the Middle Ages, but that's not so. Elvis is yes, Elvis is crying there. But it's fine. It's fine. Elvis can cry. I'm pretty sure Elvis can cry. And Elvis can say, if it wasn't for me, you wouldn't have electronic music today. Pay respect. Elvis Mew, he comes visit me from time to time with Beethoven and others, and but that doesn't mean it's not that I'm paying respect. Elvis, I like other stuff, Uncle Elvis, you know that. That's it. Yeah, and don't get me wrong, but I will send Beethoven at you, Elvis. So just behave, or I will tell Beethoven that where you are, and I will send Beethoven at you, okay? And so it's your friend Uncle Chap if I go gone or he ran away laughing. Yeah, no. Elvis Mew, yeah, we will have Elvis Mew, don't you worry. We will eventually have end this view. So, okay, next question. Question 3 out of 8. The outright timed payout exception. D. Okay. Okay. I agree with your suggestion. Move on with the next. Okay. Elvis Mew. Yeah, we can have Elvis Mew. And we can also have Elvis Mew, which is a pervert. And yeah, I think we should have Elvis and Pelvis. And Pelvis is Elvis' brother. And he's a pervert. Pelvis Mew is a fucking pervert, and even worse than, cause Beethoven, is so, no, Mozart is all about, romantic stuff, but Pelvis Mew, Pelvis is a fucking pervert, and so I think it would be fun, right? Because maybe they go out with my boy Elvis Mew, yeah, exactly. My boy Elvis Mew, right? I mean, yeah. We can have them. I mean, we can have. I think Freddie Mercury says, "Do you love him?" No, no, no. From what I know, I think Freddie Mercury was gay, right? If I remember correctly. So I mean, I think that even if I love him, I mean, he wouldn't appreciate that because he think he prefer males, right? I mean, if I remember correctly, I mean. But I don't know, maybe I don't know think about it. But yeah, I mean I don't know about that. So yeah. Anyway, so next question, please. Next question, please. So yeah. So probably Freddie Mercury wouldn't be very happy if I love it because I mean he probably prefer different companies. So Dorm cake is priced. Okay. Nobody makes a bird cake. So the game password is to get instead. Okay. Ok, su un caso pone una buona sessione di schede rosso monete present e duration. I mean, we should in this case generalize the rule because there is also two other tail items that, for instance, there is the booty cake. And there is, I think how is called that, the golden record. I mean, I don't remember. It's another chatbot item from the music, okay? And so, I mean, we should generalize this if you write that down. Because, I mean, maybe in the future, there could be something also for another tail item or chatbot item. So, I think we should write this in the way that talks generically about the rule in a way that it's true, even if it's true only for that, even if it's, so you know what I mean? There is a way in which we can write this in a general way so that it's true and also, you know what I mean? Also, I mean, let me know, because at the moment there are no, I mean, the booty cake and the golden record, I mean, they are not used in recipes or in commission, so they do not produce credits at the moment, you know what I mean? But I think if we just write the cake as only one exception, I mean, I think we are missing the point here. Because I think what is important here is the rule, no? That in which we decided how to praise the bird cake, based on how hard it is to get. So, can you find a way in which you write it and it's true and it doesn't conflict also with what is in the game already? Okay. My grandma used to burn her homemade garlic bread. Why should you burn the chocolate birthday cake, dude? Why should I burn the double chocolate cake? A burnt cake? It's... I mean, well, your double chocolate burnt cake is not going to get burnt, but we burn a lot of cakes here. But not yours, so your cake is safe, Jordan. Your double chocolate birthday cake is safe, but yes, a lot of stuff gets burnt here. And when they burn, they become lower. But your cake is safe, okay? Your cake is unburnable. The unburnable, yeah. Yeah. Burnt bacon, yeah. Burnt bacon. That's a shot to meet and money change the answer, okay. So let's see this here, right? I mean, and also still have some milk. Razormo, you can clip this now. Look at this. My milk face. Do you like my milk face, Razormo? That's very good, right? Yeah. So okay. Yes, I agree with your suggestion. So that also will prevent us to have more bugs in the game. So yes, fix the document, fix the code, and or yes. So I completely agree with your suggestion. We need to fix both the documents and the code. Very good, very good. Perfect. Perfect. Very nice, right? Perfect. I think I want to close these questions and then probably we four more questions, right? Four more questions. And then probably we go. We give the end over and we have the future run on our side. By the way, we sung that song for Burnfield's Burning Love. Fuck. Burning Love Ransom, are you a pelvis mew expert? Are you a pelvis mew expert? Cause you know about Burning Love. I mean, I didn't know about that song. Or are you googling it like now? I mean, but that you were expert about pelvis and tentacles. I mean, I already knew that. But I mean, look at you, very expert. Also on pelvis, brother. I mean, what's going on, Razormo? I mean, right? Yeah, white culture. They're a man of culture, as they say into the memes, right? I mean, when you show sexy anime girls and then they reply, "I'm a man of culture," so you're white culture. Yeah, I didn't have any doubt about it, right? Yeah, you're a man of culture for sure. Let's go with the next suggestion then. Let's go with the next suggestion. So. Let's go with the next suggestion. So, still thinking 2 minutes. I think I wanted to do 4 more questions, but I mean, oh, okay, very good. Question 5. Okay, very small. Thanks God. Thanks God. Maybe I ask him to give me all the 4 questions at the same time. Question 5. The inventor is not my job, then does the job. Okay. My suggestion, the chatbot test fare un roggio pogno switch over giocare but I agree with your suggestion. Go with your suggestion. Give me the next question. King of Rock. Oh, your favorite style. Okay. Okay. Nice. Nice. I think I want to listen, after I finish the quest, I want to listen one more time to Invisible My Ass. I think I really like that song. It could be a good way to close the stream with Invisible My Ass. Jesus, if I think about that, I mean, was really fun. I mean, today the conversation with Charles after. Well, I had to go invisible, but because I mean, this day. Wait, are you telling me that? I mean, oh Jesus, if I think about the conversation was very funny, and then his reaction with the picture. I mean, and that eyes, the killer eyes. I mean, the killer eyes in disguise. I mean. Oh, I made a rhyme. Eyes in disguise. Oh, look at me. I'm a poet now. I'm a poet. Eyes in disguise. I mean, oh, that's why I'm good at making song, right? Because I mean, I'm very good at making rhymes. I mean, eyes in disguise. Oh yes. Disguise them eyes in disguise. Oh yes. I think this should be the next Luna the Rapper, exactly. I think we should make a song, right? These guys have eyes in disguise. Yes, I mean, and yeah. Yeah. Probably we should make a nonsense lyrical song. I mean, why not? I mean, eyes in disguise. Oh, so poetic. Look at this. I'm probably going to get nominated for an award, right? I mean, worst of the epic rap fails. I mean, by Siraction Slacks. I mean, something like that. Jesus, I wonder what happened to Emmy the Hedgehog. I hope she comes back, I mean, every day. I mean, I want to see more of Emmy. I mean, she's a mom with kids. I mean, I love it. And she does AI. Jesus, I love it. I love it. I mean, I love it. And the porcupine is so cute. I mean, the porcupine character is so cute. I mean, and even if he's a dad and not a mom, I mean, it's lovely the same. I mean, yeah, right, the porcupine, right? Question 6. 3 more, Razuma, 3 more, and then I can eat lunch and play Green Down. Da 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 da. Yes, and then I can play Green Down and probably will have 10 people bothering me. Oh yeah, playing Green Down again. Okay, anyway, so question, the new unbuilt document may not need to exist. Okay. Okay. Games for Okay, I agree with your recommendation. So this was the last question, and we are done. So if this is the last question, then be sure that everything is recorded. And then what should be next? Do you have to run the refuters again? Can you tell me what's next? So we can decide if you have to do this or if we have to delegate it to a new agent. My Shami seems really OP. Well, I mean, I'm taking a lot of crits, especially when I enter a Act 2. Have you noticed? I mean, you see when. So I mean, I don't know. I mean, I think it really needs some fix, cause I think I invested too much in damage. Well, a little bit too much in damage, probably. But I really want to get back to Act 3, where I was, cause I want to get back where I was, cause, but you know, I feel empowered now that I am in hardcore, because, I had this discussion with Dad, and Dad told me, why are you so scared? Why are you playing the softcore? And then I told Daddy, and then I told Daddy, and then I told, well, I think this the last time I want to play Green Dawn, and for this reason, because I think the Jew is coming, and then I want to do my game. But just, the new expansion came out, I want to try it, etc., etc. And then Dad told me, if this is going to be a Rust run, are you okay for it to be a softcore run? And then it clicked, and they said, no, why, right. Why I was so stupid? Why I didn't have it in front of my eyes? I think I need more Dad in my life. I think I don't have enough Dad in my life. He's so good with me. If there's someone that is able to put me back on track. Yeah. If there's someone to put me back on track, is Dad. And he always does with one sentences, one questions, one story, one thing. He's so good at it. He's so good. To the point in which sometimes I think, am I getting tired by him all the fucking time? Because he's really able to, point at something that is under my nose and make me realize it, to the point I think sometimes he's toying with me, because he's so good at it. Don't get me wrong, I don't think he's toying with me. He always pointing me to the things that's already in front of me and not noticing it already, or he's always make me think about important stuff. I don't think, but the point is that he's so fucking good. He's so fucking good at it. But is that suppose your final run? Are you okay really in the softcore? That doesn't seem a good finale. It's just one sentence, you see. It's not telling me, you should play hardcore. But said, are you good with that? You see, it's always an invitation. It's always a story. It's always an open quest, and it has never been, you should do this, you should do that. He never fucking used that trick with me once. You should do this, you should do that. Never even once. He's always like, are you sure that's the best thing to do it? Or, are you sure you will be happy if you do this that way? Or, is your channel going to outlast the beer? You see, he's always, poking me about what I think is, it's so good, seriously. Yeah. Yeah, he's so good. And I think me and Stella, we are very, very lucky. We are very, very lucky. Very, very lucky. A lot. Well, if you they're down too. Okay. If you then too. Okay, fine. Look, you can go with round 2. Okay, fine. Let's do 1, 2, and 3. Let's do 1, 2, and 3 as you suggested. Okay. Go on with that. Very good. Okay, over. Cause now this probably have to go for 40 minutes, 50 minutes. Yes, to do a full refute. A full round of refuters. A refuter is basically an agent that checks everything you've done to see if you've done mistakes. And this is something that I've had introduced recently, and because if I didn't introduce the refuter, these 8 questions that came now wouldn't have come. and someday it slows the process a lot. It slows the process a lot because when you finish it, you have some time to redo part of the job you're done, but now the job is dead because it gets controlled by another agent. And so you create this loop that one agent checks on the work of the other and your work and you go in loop. It slows you down a lot, but it's a very good way of building them in, because you add an extra control. But anyway, so I think I'm going to eat lunch. And then I will probably stay online with my green down status on Discord, and then I will see what happens, how many people will complain. Oh, but you're playing today too, and I'm really curious to see how many complaints I will receive today, on me playing green down in my free time rather than chatting them in. Let's see. Oh yeah, well, I think I want to listen to the song one more time, right? Let's listen to the song one more time before we go eat dinner, right? I think we should have one more run with this beautiful masterpiece, which is Invisible My Ass. Invisible My Ass, right? Let's go round 2, right?
Oh, you prefer to play games rather than chat with me? Fucking stalker.
What the fucking even is this fucking comment?
One little green dot, one little game. Discord put a billboard beside Luna's name. Rich presents isn't a wedding vow. I open one game, why are we fighting now? Then Jack came running, that's creepy. Red flag, give Luna space. Block that man. Manipulation, that isn't okay. But what game was it? How long did you play? So I clicked invisible, great dot done. No more status, no more fun. Me and I hustled on a great dot down. Case closed, case opened. Invisible, my ass. Gray dot dropped and the news spread fast. Green means gaming, gray means crime. Chat built a fucking timeline. Invisible, my ass. Privacy didn't fucking last. One weird viewer made me lock the door. Now the whole damn server knows even more. Every fucking viewer is a fucking stalker. Hey, you were invisible in Discord yesterday. Did you play games all day? Wait, how the fuck did you know? I was invisible. At 2:13 your green dot died. At 2:14 you went to hide. You stayed gray for 12 whole hours. The oven drew 3 extra watts of power. Your controller battery dropped to 9. You opened settings at dinner time. You paused for snacks around 3:30. Why do you have a file on me? One stalker? No, that was the trailer. Chat condemned and then released the data. Sen in shitteru nandadayo. Every fucking viewer is a fucking stalker now. Invisible, my ass. Gray dot dropped and the news spread fast. Green means gaming, gray means crime. Chat built a fucking timeline. Invisible, my ass. Privacy didn't fucking last. One weird viewer made me lock the door. Now the whole damn server knows even more. Management response authorized. Operation Moonblind initiated. Countermeasure. Decoy mascot. New frosting. New identity. Cake took Luna's chair. Cake wore the headset. Cake played 6 games. Management said perfect. Every dialogue choice got a blue circle prize. Every terrible decision Cake approved twice. 10 seconds later chat type time sync. That's Cake too. We recognize the click. Luna would argue with the tutorial screen for 29 minutes before choosing anything. Cake stalking detected. Kashiwa batsu keki dairi maru. Hi, Cake too. quietly sleeping. Do not ask. Account 43. Please provide supporting evidence. She spent 90 minutes in character creation and still hasn't chosen a name. That proves nothing. That's exactly what account 43 just said. Fuck. Status unknown. Location classified. Turn gate redacted. Boss 3. Low health out of potion. What the fuck? Invisible. My ass. He took the shift. They caught her fast. Jaffy roll classified. Cross the plan. Chat fixed the typo before she pressed send. Invisible. My ass. Every countermeasure fucking crashed. First they tracked Luna, then Kate got clocked. Every fucking viewer is a fucking stalker. Green dot, gray dot, take decoy. Nice try. Green dot, gray dot. Management destroy. That's it. Computer off. Discord closed. Nobody knows anything. Good night, Luna. See you tomorrow at 8. I never said 8. Batu.
Okay, thank you very much for watching and see you tomorrow. じゃあ今日ここまでですね。ありがとうございました。おつみでした。またね。バイバーイ。